There's my two babies. I'll go in and see what they're gonna do. It's really hot out. I don't want to really do a lot for them. Put them in here only because there's some grass. I figured they can mow it for them. Brandy. There's Falcon. Falcon. Good boy. Come on, Brandy. Falcon still doesn't know how to turn around. Come on. Brandy's over here being good. Good girl. Good. Keep going. Ooh. No, come on, Brandy. Come here. Come on. Good. Come on. Good. Falcon. 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 Come here. Come on. How you guys doing, huh? Come on. Falcon. Falcon. Come here. Good.